ATCH stock analysis and ATCH stock predictions. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I'll trade and how I analyze. I'm the only guy in this world that has done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years, and I have it all documented on this YouTube channel. Because I have all the data, I've seen what's working, what's making money. First thing on the list is going to be that it's a bullish market, a very solid one. And I'm telling you, like, unless the price corrects down a bit and then gives me the proper shift and a proper double break, I can dream about buying. You know, I'm simply not going to do so. And then, like I always mentioned, without this solid shift, then who cares? I'm not buying. So that's ATCH. I have right around 3 receipts in the Discord right there. And yeah, I mean, there's really nothing for me to add here, tell you. I'll tell you one thing, and that is, because it's such a solid bullish market, the only thing that's going to make me buy is that shift. And if not, it is what it is. So if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.